Hop into the 2020 Ford Edge. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get into a midsize crossover that knows how to make your life easier. This sleek Edge is loaded with powerful performance, smart tech, and features that optimize comfort and convenience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, premium sound system, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Feel relaxed and confident when you're behind the wheel of the Edge. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.